Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you if TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper comes with a charger inside of the box. Here's the TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper box, and let's open it to see if there's a charger inside. The first thing we see is the phone. We can take it out, and underneath you can take out this tray. On the tray you can find a SIM card tray opener, and underneath there is documentation and charger. There is the charging brick minus a European version, and here is the charging cable, that's USB-C to USB-C. So it works with this charging brick and with your phone. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, so see you next time.